introducing the new bougie Casper. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and this is Just Nella, where we talk about travel, lifestyle, and give some advice. Anyways, happy New Year's guys. It's been a new year. We made it to 2022. So I didn't make an intro for the following clips. So this is future Nella. Hi from the future, giving you guys a good introduction to what's going on. So I think the first clip will be Casper's play date. Casper had some puppies over, and I just wanted to see how he'd interact with other puppies. So he had a little play date, and then after that, I think it's me unboxing some items that I got, or either that or it's me doing having my Christmas karaoke at my parents' house. So it's one of those two that will be happening, and then following that it will be Casper getting his grooming on. He got a new haircut and I can't wait for you guys to see what it is. So I'm still editing, so I don't know which order it's going to be in, but that's basically what happened for a few days in the life with me and Casper leading up to the new year. So if you're interested, or just support your girl would appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend as we continue to grow this channel together. And don't forget to keep watching and liking and commenting in this video. Now, before we begin this video, I'm bringing back an oldie but goodie, the subscriber of the day, who'll be linked here. Here. Alright, thank you so much for your continued support, and don't forget to come again. I think I've said like, comment, share, and subscribe like 5 times already, but yeah, do that. Alright guys, let's get into the video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
You're such a gentleman. Happy you have friends. Hi guys. So I just got home from work, but I got packages today. So I started pulling them out. I got these stack of packages, so I'm gonna open them up and see what I got. But I know what I've got, but I've ordered them for a while, so let's see if I got everything. So I'm just using my scissors to cut off the tape because I'm trying to do this. Alright, so first one, this is from Amazon, I believe, because it's in a box, and so I'm just gonna open it. Alright, so the first thing I got is my pocket journal. So my pocket journal came. Yes, I am getting ready for 2021. Let's see if anything else is in there. Nope, just plastic. So that is the first thing. Let me put this down. Oh, I'm so hot. So this is a pocket journal. This is the Go Girl, for the girl on the go. Alright, so let me open the next Amazon stuff. I feel like Amazon divided up my packages and made them into separate packages into one, which means that I pay more for delivery based on weight. Alright. Alright, so in this, what is this? Oh, this is another planner. I think I ordered 2 planners. I think I ordered 2 planners here, right? So this is my second planner. And that's this one with this purple reindeer in a box. So 2 packages, 2 planners. I think I ordered these 2 together. So the reason why I ordered 2 is like this one can be on my desk, on my table that I can write it, and then this one is like on the go, bring it with me. And I can use them to like plan out my content and plan out my days. So I brought them 2. And Amazon separated them. I put them in 2 separate boxes. These are more weight to pay. Oh boy. Let me get the scissors again. And then put this up. Take this. two. I think it's an Amazon package. No, this is Shein. This is a Shein package. Shein sent something separate, like really Shein. Ooh, I'm hot. So this is a dress from Shein, which I am not about to try on right now. But this is the dress. It has like hearts on the sleeves. It's a simple black dress, but I'm not trying it off. And it has like a turtleneck type of color, rounded color. Again, definitely will not be trying it on right about now. I had to go turn on the fan because it's way too hot. So I have my Shein dress over here. So I'm unboxing stuff if you're new here, or if you've been late, or you just skipped ahead. I don't know. Very strange. Alright, so this is another Amazon package, and it has and it is my another external hard drive. So I had to buy a second external hard drive. This is 2 terabytes, right? 2-year warranty, because I have been running out of storage on my devices, my phone, my computer, my first external hard drive, which is also 2 terabytes. So I bought a second one, and also what I'm gonna do is kind of use the second one to organize all of my files and maybe try to compress them so I don't take up so much space. Yeah. Alright, so well, this unboxing is going a lot quicker than I expected. Okay, the final package. Now these are not really for me. These are special gifts for the man of the hour, who is like right by my leg. As you know, these are for Casper. So these are some toys. So this is a little ice cream. I think they're a bit smaller than I expected. It's a pumpkin. Here, right? These are some soft little toys. This is a container, a travel size container, like for water and food. So I can put, let me open this out and show you. So these are for Casper, or for me carrying Casper. So you have this container, and it has 2 sides, the red and the black. Take it out more so you guys can see. So it has 2 sides, the red and the black, and right, and so you can put food in one side. Open up the latch. You can put food in one side, so it's divided. Food in one side, and you can put water in the other side. You don't want open. Sheesh. Here we go. You can put food in one side and water in the other side. And you can, because I can use it to go on the go for like when I want to carry Casper places. And also, so I'm gonna put these down. It also comes with 2 mini bowls. Drop these down. These 2 mini bowls, which they open out like they unflap. So it can go like this, and you push it out with your hands. And then you can just, when you're finished, clean it out, and then it gets back flat, and you can just attach it to the bottle using this. So it's perfect for me and Casper, who likes to be road. Alright, so what else did I get for Casper? What is this? Oh no, this is a gift. Alright, I also got this little ice cream toy. I can open one of them and give him. Hey Casper. I think it's supposed to be. Oh my god, you guys should see how excited he is. He's like, what's going on with this toy? Casper? Casper? He's all the way gone away with his toy. Casper? Casper? He's like totally has started to ignore me. This is his toy, and this is all he's gonna do with his toy. Hi, baby. Casper, you like your toy? Alright, so this is Casper's Christmas color for his Christmas dinner. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, truth be told. But you'll see how it goes. But I thought it was cute for a Christmas dinner. It just has a boo hoo hoo hoo. So we'll see how this works when I put it on him. It seems a little bit small to me though. Like these things are a little smaller than they appeared on the screen. Ooh, I'm at the bottom of the bag, and the last thing I got was, so I got this name tag. I got this name tag to put on Casper's collar, and I got a matching color so that everybody knows Casper has somebody who loves him, right? So this color is going to go around Casper's neck, and then I'm just going to put this on so he can look like the bougie boy he really is. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. Wow, these things went through a lot quicker than I expected. Alright, the last thing I'm going to show you guys is what I got as the other day. Like, I didn't even unpack it. So I got these 2 trays, Christmas trays, you know, for breakfast and lunch on Christmas Day for myself. Hello. I got this sheet, as well as the sheet I see on my bed currently, because I'm, you know, fixing up for Christmas, but I also got these sheet sets. What else did I get? Oh. And I got a candle. I mean, I got a candle. Of course I got a candle. Oh my god, let me see if there's anything else in here. I think that is it. Wow. This unboxing and haul went really quickly. So there is stuff that I got. All of my packages so far. I'm so excited. Yay me. Alright, now I have to go get ready to go because today is actually my Christmas karaoke. So that will be the rest of this video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell all of your friends them about this channel, and let's continue to grow. Okay, I'll catch you in the next clip as Casper and I get ready for the party. I'm really not going to do much because I'm running pretty late. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, I totally forgot one last thing that I got. I was so excited to open the package that I opened it already. So I also got Ariana Grande's Sweet Like Candy, a new fragrance in my arsenal. I already took it out of the box, actually. Shoot. So yeah, I already took it out of the box. It's so cute. Look at it. This pink pom-pom. It's like a grenade looking here. And it smells gorgeous, like gorgeous. So I got that for myself, and that's the last thing in my little haul. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next clip now. Alright, yeah. Oh, I think the lighting is like, look at this. Welcome, friends, family, countrymen. I swear it was like I just want you for, and the very next day you give it away. What's that? You end up the love this year to save me from there. I give it to some.
Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't.
Good morning, guys. So I just dropped Casper off at his grooming appointment. So he's gonna get groomed. We'll pick him up back later. There are other dogs in front of him because, you know, we have to join the queue. Anyway, so yeah, Casper is about to get groomed, and then I'm going to head to work now because I drop him off before I head to work. Lord, the place is packed. Like, Lord, the place is packed. Like the roads, the traffic. Whew. I never expect the place to be so full. The place I dropped him off is called Born Free. It's they do grooming services only on Thursdays. So today is Thursday, December 23rd, only 2 days till Christmas. So Casper is getting his pre-Christmas cut. You know what I mean? So that he can look good for the holidays. So I'm about to head to work. I could have used the exit there, but I want to go to the supermarket again because I'm out of toilet paper. Like I only have one roll left. So I need to get toilet paper and I need to get hand towels. And what else? Maybe I could go later. What else do I need? Like, God. Boy. This is where Casper is. That is where Casper is getting his grooming.
Come on.
Guys, introducing the new bougie Casper. Hey Casper. Casper is so into his toy. Hey Casper. Hey Casper. Hey baby. Look at mommy. Hey. This is Casper's new bow tie. Casper. Casper. Look at it. Look at him, cute. Oh yeah, he's so cute. Casper. Okay, he's looking at Olivia. Casper. Look how cute he looks.